What is up everybody? So in today's video we will discuss that is the Pocophone F1 still worth buying in 2019. So let's get right into it. So the Pocophone F1 was a powerful device powered by an Snapdragon 835, and personally when it was launched I was not having good vibes from this company called sub-brand from Xiaomi called Pocophone. And yes, the notch was really large and it bothered me really badly. I was not able to use my device. I used this device for around a month, and around a week I was just so frustrated with that notch. But now it's okay because Xiaomi has provided a software update to hide the notch, which is really good, which pretty much hides the notch. And the reason why the notch is so big, because it comes with an IA face unlock, which is really fast and accurate. So let's talk about the battery life. Yeah, this one comes with a massive 4000 mAh of battery. It is just so darn good, man. It lasted me for over a day of moderate usage. And the display also didn't disappoint me. Yes, it has a notch, but there is a function to hide the notch. I have not yet updated my device, but I will as soon as possible. I have seen many videos showing that Pocophone software update which hides the notch pretty much very good. And so at the end of the day, my take is that Pocophone F1 is a really good device, and I am recommending you guys to buy this device because this device is super cheap with an awesome performance, battery life, and it is an all-rounder, man, of 300 US dollar and 20,000 Indian currency. And thank you guys for watching my video, and please do consider subscribing my channel. Till then, peace out.